Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about how to use support, resistance and VWAP for a successful entry in Nifty. So this is like one of the most important strategy we can use for your intraday trading, and this strategy we can apply for Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So this is like one of the most important strategy we can use in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I am going to share how we have to use this strategy and how we can make a profit. And today also I have taken a live trade on Nifty, and I will show you why we have taken an entry based on support, resistance and VWAP. So this is like one of the most important strategy we can use for your intraday trading. So watch completely, then only you'll be getting a better idea about like what is support, what is resistance and VWAP. So watch completely this video, then you'll be getting a better idea about how to take an entry and exit. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So if you visit my YouTube channel, you can see a lot of videos related to 200 EMA, how to invest in gold, tutorial about support and resistance. So like that, a lot of videos you can see in my YouTube channel. Like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my channel so that you'll be getting lot of videos and lot of updates. And the same way, those who are interested to start trading, you can open account in Angel Broking. So the link I have given in my description. Like you can open the trading account in Angel Broking and you can start trading. So this is the platform I am also using. So if those are interested to open an account in Angel Broking, you can open the account and you can start trading. So the link I have mentioned in the description. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about how to use support, resistance and VWAP for a successful entry in Nifty. So today I have taken a live trade on Nifty, and I will show you like why we have taken an entry based on support and resistance plus VWAP. Like those who are not aware about like what is support and resistance or how to set up, we can see in my YouTube channel, the link I have given in the suggested videos. Okay, you can see that and you can set up your support and resistance. Okay, let us open Nifty here. So once you open Nifty, so today you can see 25th August. So Nifty was opened, you can see here the above R2. So Nifty is today Nifty opened above R2, and you can see like it was not sustained above R2. It means if you have to have waited for, that is what always I told, whenever you are going for an entry, you have to wait for 2 candles. So there is not 2 proper candle. Okay, I will show you properly. Okay, this area you can see, because there is no proper candle. One candle, like you can see, like in the morning there is a 4 candle, but no, only 1 candle was closed above the R2, because only this candle you can see, the last green candle is crossed above the R2. So always you have to wait for 2 candle to cross above R2, then only you can take an entry. Then only we can make sure Nifty is going to be upside. So when I waited, I saw that Nifty is forming red candle. Immediately you can see here. Immediately if you see here, you can see Nifty has formed red candle. So here you can see in the downtrend, you can see Nifty has formed a red candle. So there is a 2 proper candle, right? So here you can see there is a 2 proper candle. So immediately I know that market is going to be a downside. So I have selected a P. Okay. So I'll show you in the same thing. I'll show you in my Telegram channel also. So this is my Telegram channel. Here you can see, like I told to buy Nifty 11,400 P above 38, because I was sure Nifty is going to be downside. So why it is downside? So the first thing here, you will be getting a confirmation like Nifty was opened above R2, but it is not sustained R2. So it means it was taken a resistance there, and immediately like you can see, like if you waited for 2 candle, for you can see the second candle formed red. So from there if you take an entry, and you know, like as I told in my earlier videos, if Nifty is broken like R1, then it will be going to the next support area. So you can see the pivot point was next support area. So Nifty has fallen from there to here. So almost like you can see like almost 50 to 60 points fall in Nifty. So that movement you have to make use, and you have to take an entry. So immediately like you can see here. So same thing I also saw. So even I went and take Nifty P 11,400 P. So I given a call on 38, and you can see what was my target. So I was mentioned 50 as a target, and you can see 50 we kept stop loss also, like in between it went to 55, so suddenly we increased the stop loss to 50 because we booked the profit almost 12 points we booked, okay, and it was the high was 55, so almost 20 point movement there within a second. So that is the advantage of if you are using support and resistance. And same thing I was checked in VWAP also, like let us see the VWAP also. So we have to go to angel broking. So this is the one we have taken, okay, so 11,400 P we have taken. So let us open the chart. So let me open the chart first. So go to chart. So this is how we can do the double confirmation, okay. If support is broken, you can check the VWAP also. If VWAP also is okay, we can take an entry. So let me come to the 25th August. So 25th August, if you see, here you can see the red line is VWAP line, okay. So here you can see, like those are not aware about VWAP line, you can check my tutorial about VWAP, okay. I will be giving that video on the suggested video. So you can visit there and you can set up VWAP also. So here you can see the VWAP line, red line you can see. So almost 30 you can see. So this area you can see, okay. So I will show you. So here it is 30, okay. So this area, it is crossed the red line. So red line means we can make a double confirmation. Nifty has already broken the support. Even the Nifty also 11,400 P also above the VWAP line. It means it is indicating that support is broken. Same way, the stock can be in a bullish side. So it means Nifty can fall down. So immediately if I have taken an entry around this area, okay, around 38 I have taken an entry. From here if you see, there is a huge fall in Nifty. It means if the huge fall in Nifty, the PE will be increasing. So almost we got almost 20 points profit from there. If you see, like almost the high was almost around 60. So our entry was around 38 and it went up to 60. So almost around 20 points movement was there. So that is the advantage of when you are using support, resistance and VWAP. So always you have to check. Like in the same way you can see after that, again if you same area you can go, okay, I will show you. Okay, let me open the trading view. So in the trading view also you can see Nifty was fall from the resistance point and it was come to pivot point. So this area you can see. So Nifty was fallen to the pivot area. So this area Nifty has taken support. So this was the pivot point was acting as a support area. So once it is coming there, again you can make sure, okay, you have to wait for 1 or 2 candle. So here you can see once it is coming to touching the support area, you have to be aware. If it is not going below this level, you have to be aware this is going to be upside again, because by second candle itself, here you can see the second green candle. So the second green candle itself, we can make sure it has taken support there. We can go for a C side. So same thing what happened. So here you can see same thing what happened. Again it went up to again to the resistance 1. So here you can see it went up to resistance 1. From again it was taken a resistance and again it was fallen down to support. So this is again you can see just came and touched to a support. But again if you see support is not broken, right? So again you can go for a C side. So this is how we have to make a profit. So in a day you can make 2 to 3 entry. Like if support is broken, you have to take an entry, and if there is a support is taken, again you can take a C code. So this is how you have to make an entry, and this support and resistance is a very good tool, okay, you can use for your intraday trading and you can make maximum profit. And again you can see same thing here you can see, okay, same thing. Let us open the angel chart. Okay, let us open the angel chart. So here you can see morning. Okay, here the first call we have taken here, okay. So here you can see almost like this area we have taken the first call. So this was our first call. And second call you can see suddenly Nifty went up. So it means the P side you can see, P side like when Nifty is going up, P will be coming down. So P was coming down. Again, you know, like there is again Nifty was fallen down. So that is the third time. So if you are aware about, okay, the Nifty is taken went to resistance area and Nifty started falling down. So that area again you can take an entry on here. So second entry if you take here, so here you can see from 40 to 55. So another 15 points movement. So another 15 points movement here also. So same thing again after, you know, it went to support area. From there again it started to going up. So Nifty was started to go up. So that time what happen? The P will be coming down. So here you can see P is coming down. So that time you can do one thing, you can go to C and you can take an entry. So this is how you have to make. So VWAP, RSI and support are the one of the important tool we can use for your intraday. So hope you most of people are able to understand like what is support, what is resistance. So same thing I'll explain once again. So you have to go to the trading view. So if you see here the early morning, okay, so if you go from the early morning, so you can see Nifty was open above R1. So R1 it is not sustained, from there it start falling down and it was taken support in pivot point. So from there again it is going up to resistance 1, and resistance 1 you can see it was taken support here like almost 11,495. It was taken a resistance and again it was come down to support area. From there it was taken support and it is going up. So this is how you have to make a analyze. Okay, you have to analyze okay how market is going. First thing you have to first thing is that you have to observe okay how Nifty is taking support or not. So based on that you have to take an entry. So if support is taken, or sometimes you can see like here some areas I will show you, the previous day I will show you. Okay, so here you can see this area. Okay, I will show you. So this area you can see Nifty has broken the support. So it means you can go for a C side. So you have to wait till here. So you are taking a C from here. Okay, just imagine you are taking a C from here because you saw there is a support. So from there if you wait till here, you know there is no problem because there is no red candle and it has touched the resistance area and resistance area broken. So in that case you are not you are not supposed to exit. You can hold your position. And you can see till here you can hold your position because there is no resistance. Okay, resistance is broken and Nifty is going up. So in that case we can make a double profit. So always you have to, like when you are going for a market, you have to see like first thing is that you have to see the support. Second thing you have to see the resistance. Third thing is you have to see the VWAP line. So if you confirm all these three things, you can take a better entry. So the same thing you can see in my Telegram channel also. I have posted the same thing you can see, and my target also achieved like almost you can see almost within 1 hour my target also achieved, and you can see like what is the profit like almost 2,300, and you can see like 900 rupees. So this is the profit my client achieved. Okay, and the same way like those who are interested to join this group, you can join to this group. The link I have given in the description. The same way there is a WhatsApp group as well as. So this. Okay, same way there is a WhatsApp group also because both will be same. Like in WhatsApp it is almost full right now. So that is the reason the link I have given anyway in the description. You can join there. Either you can join WhatsApp or Telegram. I will show you my WhatsApp group also. Okay, this is the WhatsApp group. Okay, so both groups are same. So here you can see the same goal I have given. Okay, buy Nifty 11,000 P. So these WhatsApp and Telegram groups are same, and if you are not able to join in WhatsApp group, you can join in Telegram group. So both link I have given in the description. So either you can join in my WhatsApp group or in my Telegram group. So both link I have given in the description, and both groups are absolutely free. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you need any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And the same way, if you are satisfied with this topic, so kindly like my video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.